Hello, this is Amanda from Creative Pouring, based in Rugby in the UK. I'm going to attempt another open cup pour. Day before, I did one, and this is with the DecoArt metallics, but it's a bit flat and a bit ball and a bit adoring. I've got to say it again, a bit flat, dull and a little bit boring. I just liked the lacing on it, so I'm going to have another attempt at something like this, but I'm going to move the cup a bit around a bit more and get a bit more negative space, hopefully. So I've got the same colours because I'd had them already made up. So I've got a DecoArt metallic gold here. There you go, that's better. And these are all mixed with Floetrol, no silicone. This is a pink tourmaline DecoArt metallics mixed with Floetrol. Now this, I've just made this up. It's just a bit of red and a bit of violet. I just wanted an extra little something. It's not metallic, it's just a normal Amsterdam paint, but I just mixed a couple up together. And then I've got a Pebeo, what's this one? Yellow, what does it say? A green yellow. That one there. That's that one. Just giving them a quick stir because they've been rested a couple of days, well, since yesterday, day before. And then this is the blue sapphire by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. Right, so I've done a little bit of an extra bit of, this is just Mars Black. I've flooded the canvas. It's a little bit thicker than I anticipated when I put it on, but I'm just going to do a little extra puddle here, put the cup on. Let's spread out a bit. That looks a bit thick as well, but never mind. Let's just push it out a little bit. Okay, pop that down. And we're going to do a little bit, flood it, and then move it round. That's my plan today. So here we go. Pretty random order I'm going to do this. I don't want to put any black in it this time, I don't think, but I might just put one baby bit in. Oh, go that way, mister. I'm going to put a dollop of that in. Go that way. I'm going to put quite a lot of paint on because I think my paint was just didn't do enough yesterday. I'm just going to put a little dollop of that in, but not much. Dollop of that, and a dollop of this. I think that'd be enough then. And just finish off with a dollop of that on the top. Right, okay, and then I'm going to do a quick switch like that, and then move it that way. Okay, and then I think I'm going to push something through it because it was just too boring last time. So I'm just going to do a quick swirl through it like that. That's it. Okay, let's see what occurs with that now. Let's just put that on there in case I need to use it again. Put me the glove on. And let's see what happens. Okay, a quick torch. So, oh, what's that there? Oh no, it's okay. This needs a good old stretch, I think, and then something needs to be done with it because I don't know, it just all looks a bit thick. Yeah. It's pretty. So I need to go all the way off here. I could do. And come back over there. I think I might need to come off this edge as well. That's going to do it. That's it, I need to follow that and go off that edge there. Oh, I do like that red. That's perked up a bit, isn't it? Okay, go off the edge and come back. Right, let's see what happens. Leave it there. Bring that green back. And then I need to look at it. I do like that red in there. That's really, oh, I'm really liking that. I think I might have to do a few little swirly gigs in there somewhere. Okay, I love that red in there. That's looking really nice. Where's that cloth? Oh, I quite like that one. I like this sort of river running through there. I'm going to leave that. Let's see if we can get anything else popping up. Very nice. I'm glad I put the red in. It's a lot different from the last one I did. I think just because I put more paint in. I think last time I was a little bit skimpy on the paint and then it just dried really dull and boring. I might have to do something with that one. But this one I like. I love this red. I might have to swirl something through here. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. Do I leave it just with that black negative bit there? I love this swirly bit coming through there like that. I love that. I don't know, you know, I might leave it again. I love this pale green coming through, the iridescent blue yellow, whatever it is, green yellow. It's like the sea of tranquility there, isn't it? Oh, I don't want to touch it. That's the trouble with these things. You think, oh, what should I do? What should I do? Should I spread that bit over there and just leave this little black? I might do that. I'm going to spread that over there and just leave that black there. That is what I'm going to do. Because I think the weight of the paint's already up there. I'm just going to see how I can go over that black bit there. Spread it out, and just leave this one corner. walk it, walk it. Just leave the one black a little bit, pop it over. Okay, and bring it back. And that way as well. I want that green to come back. I haven't lost that green now. Okay. Right. Yes, that's better. Really? Oh no, that's better. Just leaving this little black thing here. So it's like this river coming all the way through into that black. No, I like that. I'm not going to touch it. I am going to be restrained. I'm just going to check my edges. But I'm really liking that. Keep it simple. Just wipe my hands, have another good look. Yeah, I think that's stretched out. That's given this a little bit more depth to it, this blue greeny bit here. No, I really like that. I'm going to leave it, I'm not going to touch it. Just going to give it another quick one too with this DecoArt stuff. You never know what pops up. Loving the red. No, really like that. Lusciousness. I'm going to just check these corners and then that's me done. Oh, yes. Really like that one. Really like that one. Hurrah. Now look at the difference. Now I've just known what it's what you could. This is why you practice doing these things. I mean, look how interesting that is compared to that one. That's just boring. I mean, I like the lacing, it's all right, but I mean, look at that. The differences in the composition, that's just dull. But that, I'm loving that. I just love that long little, and that another little ziggy zaggy bit there that's come up. No, love that. Gorgeous. Right, I'm just going to check these corners, make sure there's enough paint on them, and that's me done. I hope you like that one. If you do, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share, give me a thumbs up, and happy pouring. Thanks, that's Amanda, over and out. Oh, hang on. Shall I give you a quick see? No, you can see from there, can't you? I'll do a photo anyway so you can see at the end. Okay, thank you, Amanda, over and out.